web of life, and we are all connected. And as we affect a single strand, the whole web is affected.
Rain chances will try to make a return at the weekend, and there could be some decent rainfall amounts across parts of Southern California. Of course, we're watching the blend of the models to see exactly how the rain will begin. We'll talk more about that as we progress on through the week. Sunshine here today. Temperatures from 73 at the beaches to 90 in the inland valleys.
This ain't no time for indecision. We know everything we need to know. Life is for the living, risk is for the taking. Ready or not, here we go. Let's ride. Let's head into the mystery. Love will be our guide. There's no telling where it's taking us, but we can go side by side. Let's ride. Come on, girl, let's ride. And let's ride in a bell, what we make believe. Let's ride in a bell, how far we run. This ride's more a bell where love is leading us. And it's about what we become. Let's ride. A laid open road of promise and possibility. Love's a chance worth taking. Let's take a chance on you and me. Let's ride. Come on, girl, let's ride. May the winds blow from behind. May the rains fall lightly. May the sun shine brightly. May the good Lord keep his eye on us. Hold down the line. Let's ride. Let's ride. Let's ride. Let's ride.
We interrupt this program to bring you a word from our sponsor, Drive-By Beer, the choice of VW van lovers everywhere. And as I sip the amber nectar, I wonder if I'm safe out here on my own, or are there any crazy people lurking in the woods? Bandits, killers, axe murderers. I think I'll watch the fire from the safety inside my van. Oh, but I left my beer outside. Shit. I can't hide in here all night. I'm going to have to go outside to get my beer. I think it's safe. I don't hear any screams. In fact, I don't hear much at all. Just the crackling of the fire. An owl. Some coyotes in the distance. It's so quiet. It's nice to be away from the noise of the city. No TV, no internet, no phone service. Nothing to do but sit and think. I remember going camping as a kid in England, dodging rain showers and struggling to start campfires with damp wood. It seems a lifetime ago, a lifetime spent working a job, chasing a career, chasing a buck. And now I'm rediscovering how awesome it is to be back out in nature, surrounded by trees and wildlife in its natural environment. Away from the concrete and tarmac, the traffic jams, noisy streets. I'm so glad I got this van. I can see there's going to be a lot of fun trips ahead. Sitting by this crackling campfire, surrounded by the quiet of the night, remembering the past and speculating on the future, a quote comes to mind from a documentary I saw once about the search for happiness. The past is history, the future is a mystery, but today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. And I recall the conclusion of the film was that you can only find happiness in the present moment. And as I sit here, I feel myself being drawn into the stillness. Thoughts melt away, and I become aware of the sound of my breathing. As I do this, I begin to feel a profound sense of peace. A new day begins with a sense of peace and quiet. Red ants scurry around getting their breakfast cornflakes, and I need a cup of tea. After breakfast, a quick trip to the bathroom. Ew, gross. After that, I need a shower. Very refreshing. Now to pack up camp and get on the road. Farewell, Monte Cristo. Till the next time.
You are too concerned with what was and what will be. There's a saying, yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.